Hi, this is Ed Gastle from VIAVI Solutions here at OFC 2026. I'm going to talk a little bit today about what's happening inside of data centers, some of the trends that are happening there, some of the challenge that presents from a testing perspective, and how VIAVI has solutions for those challenges. So inside of a data center, what we've been seeing is a trend to what we call the multi-fiber wave. So there's more and more multi-fiber connectivity like MMC 24, MMC 16, MPO 12, MMC 24, going all the way out to the optics now. So leaf spine architecture, creating fabrics in the data center, all that's driving a huge growth in the amount of fiber connectivity inside of a data center, and again, mostly multi-fiber connectivity. With those trends, it creates challenges. Multi-fiber connectors are much harder to keep clean, so you have to have tools to inspect them. Multi-fiber connectivity, you still need to test it, and so you need to have test devices that are purpose-built for testing those multi-fiber connectivity. And you also need to be able to manage the entire job and realize that you have a lot of technicians out there doing the work that are not necessarily experienced in that work. So we address those challenges with multiple solutions. So we have an INX inspection microscope that allows you to very quickly inspect a multi-fiber connector and to see whether it is clean or dirty, gives a simple pass-fail to the technician doing the work and allows them to then clean it if they need to, or to connect if it's clean already. As far as testing, the loss testing, we have come up with a new tester, the DCX, and this allows for testing 12, 16, 24 fiber connectivity using a very simple one cord reference. And we wrap both the INX and the DCX in test process automation to make it so that the job creation, deployment, the performing of the testing, and the analysis of the results and generating a closeout report are very easily done. For more information, you can reach out to viavisolutions.com or you can contact your local sales representative.